Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the MidNite Solar MNTRANSFER Dual Transfer Switch 240VC. This American-made product boasts a sturdy build with a 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind for its users. Operating at 240 volts and equipped with a 60 amp current rating, it's designed to handle substantial electrical loads. The compact dimensions of 8.75 by 5.5 by 4.25 inches make it suitable for indoor use, with an IP00 international protection rating ensuring durability. Its ETO listing for both the US and Canada adds to its credibility. Installation is straightforward, with 6 AWG wires facilitating secure connections. However, it's important to note that this transfer switch is intended for indoor use only, with a Type 1 environmental rating. Overall, the MidNite Solar MNTRANSFER Dual Transfer Switch 240VC is a reliable solution for managing power transfers, ensuring seamless transitions during outages or system maintenance. Stay tuned as we unbox and set up this essential component for your electrical system. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.